Developments in the death of 19-year-old Renisha McBride. We're outside the Wayne County Prosecutor's office. Less than an hour ago now, Wayne County Prosecutor Kym Worthy announced charges in the Renisha McBride case. Worthy charged 54-year-old Dearborn Heights homeowner Theodore Wafer on 3 charges.
Wafer has been charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter, and felony firearm possession.
We obviously do not feel that the evidence in this case feels that the defendant acted in lawful self-defense.
Now, 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner is live downtown with more on Kym Worthy's decision. Jim, what's the latest?
Jeff and Glenna, some people have tried to make this Metro Detroit's Trayvon Martin case, but the prosecutor says race is not a factor in her decision to charge in this case, even though you have a white homeowner and a black female. It all comes down to what happened on that front porch, as we've been reporting this week. Worthy would not discuss the statement Ted Wafer made to police, whether he said the shooting was accidental, but she did say the front screen door on his house at that front porch was locked. The inside stronger wooden door was open. Renisha McBride was shot in the face with a shotgun and not at close range, according to the autopsy. Worthy said there was no sign of any forced entry. So was Ted Wafer in danger, and is the second-degree murder charge too heavy?
Someone who claims lawful self-defense must have an honest and reasonable, not honest or reasonable, honest and reasonable belief of imminent death or imminent great bodily harm of himself or another person, and the use of force that's used must be necessary to prevent that imminent death or great bodily harm of himself or another person.
And so you're saying Mr. Wafer did not have that?
I am saying that we do not believe he acted in lawful self-defense.
I don't know that second degree is at this point.
You think that's a little heavy?
I think it's a little heavy. Again, just based on what I know. However, I think they're charging high, and they'll turn it over to the jury and see what the jury thinks.
That's Terry Johnson, who is an attorney, and he also teaches gun safety classes. He's saying there could be room for a jury to maneuver. There could also be some room to maneuver in a possible plea bargain before a trial. But right now, 54-year-old Ted Wafer will be turning himself in this afternoon to appear before a judge for a formal arraignment on these 3 charges, facing up to life in prison. Jeff, Glenda?
All right. Thanks so much, Jim.
Jim, thank you. Now,